Hello and welcome. So here I would tell you how to draw a histopathological diagram of calcinosis cutis. And sometimes it is given in the histopathology exam. The slide is given and you have to make a diagnosis and then you have to draw the diagram. So how do you make a diagram? First you make the normal skin structure and followed by the calcification in the dermis. So calcium deposits we have to show in the dermis. So let's see how we'll make it. So first of all, we will make the epidermis. So epidermis is stratified squamous epithelium, that is keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. So it has a basal layer which is known as stratum basale. So it is having the low columnar cells which are perpendicular to the basement membrane. So this is the stratum basale. We'll make it, then we'll make the cytoplasm and the nucleus. After that, there are stratum spinosum, in which there are polygonal cells in various layers. So next we make the layer of polygonal cells, stratum spinosum. We make these rounded cells, polygonal squamous cells of the stratum spinosum, and then we will make the nucleus at the end. This is the nucleus. Now, so we have made stratum basale, stratum spinosum. After that, there is a flattened layer of stratum granulosum, in which we make the nucleus as well as the granules. On the top of that, there is the keratin deposition, which is pink. So here we make the nucleus of stratum granulosum, and then we make the granules, keratohyalin granules. And on the top of it, there is stratum corneum, which is anucleated. It does not have any nucleus, and it has only keratin. So you see in the top there is pink. We have made the pink color, and there is no nucleus in this. This is stratum corneum, and if the nuclei is retained in it, we call it parakeratosis. So in the skin is keratinized, so there is no nucleus in the stratum corneum. So now this whole is the epidermis. After that, we will make the dermis. So dermis has got fibrovascular connective tissue, and this whole pink areas, this is dermis, and we make the foci of calcification. The calcification, again, it is made as basophilic, amorphous and granular, and this you can identify this calcification. And lastly, we make the fibroblast and blood vessel in the dermal stroma. So this is in the dermis. We can make fibroblast and the blood vessels, the capillaries, which forms a fibrovascular connective tissue. And lastly, we will finish it up with labeling. So we just label the epidermis. You can also write the epidermis in the bracket. You can write keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, and this is dermis, and these are the foci of calcification. So that makes the histopathological diagram of calcinosis cutis. So if you understand and make this diagram, it is very easy to make. I hope it helps. Thank you very much.